freedom warriors, and I'm here to help baby boomers move forward from their 50s, 60s and beyond with passion and purpose in life. Now, I put together a must-read article on how to quit your job and keep earning beyond your 50s, even if you have no idea what to do. So if you're feeling like there's more to life after years and years in the same job or industry, then I invite you to check out the reveal on the 7 new ideas to keep you earning. So click or scroll below to read more.